Lessons from Chapter 8 of Trading in the Zone. Lesson 1. Discipline is doing what you know you should do, even when you do not feel like it. Lesson 2. Your mind will always try to avoid pain, so it will make you break rules. That is why discipline is hard. Lesson 3. Consistency means taking every signal. No cherry-picking, no skipping trades out of fear. Lesson 4. Believe this. The next trade is random, but my results are consistent if I follow my rules. Lesson 5. There is a price for discipline. You must accept being wrong. You must accept losing. Before we continue, if you are enjoying these lessons, leave a comment on what topics you want us to cover next. Hit the thumbs up button. It helps us continue producing more free content. Join our free Telegram community to stay notified on new projects we have coming soon. The link is in the description or in the pinned comment. Let us get back to it. Chapter 8 of Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. Discipline is not optional. Discipline is the trader's edge. Without it, your strategy is useless. Discipline is not willpower. Discipline is believing in probabilities. It is trusting your edge over 100 trades. We fail because we want to be right now. We want to avoid pain now. So we break rules now. That kills consistency. Consistency looks boring. Take the signal, take the loss, take the win. Do it the same way every time. Stop trying to predict. Start executing. Your job is not to make money on this trade. Your job is to execute perfectly. The market will pay you, but only if you pay the price first. The price is discipline and consistency. That is how you get the trader's edge. End of chapter.